Hi, welcome back. If you're new here, thank you for joining. I follow TikTok shop creators from my last video, and what happened next surprised me. Hit that subscribe button and turn your notifications on for you won't miss every time I post. Yo, it's Shannon Dree, Life by Sharon B. Let's go. From TikTok T to side hustle stacks, blowing up strong, yeah, I'm never looking back. Fitness, finesse, I'm keeping it lit. Social media queen, got the hustle and grit. Cashing in with reels, trying to win. Vibes stay real from the start to the end. Story times, wow. Come sip this tea. Subscribe, tune in. It's Shannon Dree. Okay guys, I took one of the most viral TikTok shop tips from my last video. Something all the top creators swear by, and I used it in one of my own videos. And let's just say it did something I wasn't expecting. But before I show you the results, let me walk you through exactly what I did so you can try it too. So here's what the tip was. Find a viral hook that already works and build your video around it. I went and studied a few training videos, found one that matched my product, and literally restructured my intro using that hook. Same product, same footage. Same product, same footage, but the energy at the beginning was totally different. I wasn't expecting much, especially since I've only made one sale this entire month. But this time I decided to test it exactly how the creator suggested. Short, fast, and straight to the point. And honestly, I was shocked by what happened next. Guys,
Girlies are loving it, and I think it's because it is made to cover up our boob fat on the side here, and I don't know if that is on purpose, but I love it. Fits like a glove. I am 145, 150, 34C up top. I'm wearing a size medium. That is my true size, and it fits perfect. You can let it out in the back if you need to. However, it does clip in the front. It's easy to put on. This is the brown color, I believe, which doesn't necessarily come off brown like the picture, but this is the color that it is, and I still love it. I think it is adorable. Y'all are going to love this corset if you're looking for something to wear for your next date night, girls' night out. You can dress it up, dress it down. Definitely check that on your shopping cart. You're gonna love it.
Y'all, when I tell you I've been using this corset to snatch my waist, girl, it's over. I got this waist trainer from the TikTok shop. This thing got me snatched. Girl, it's doing what need to be done. Like, the compression on this thing is A1. Run to the TikTok shop and get you one. Summer bodies are made in the winter, y'all ladies. Let's get right. Bye.
Have you ever corset trained?
Hey babes, so here I am opening up the corset, y'all. I am super excited to get this. If you guys were on my live, you know that I have used a corset before and it just transformed my body. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Now go ahead and look real quick. This was my body after corset training 3 years ago. So that's why I'm hugging it so tightly, y'all, because I remember my body back then. Okay, y'all, so I'm going ahead and opening it up. I'm about to show y'all what it looks like. And this is a real corset, guys, designed for your body, still boned. It helps with your posture, your waist, everything. There are the strings in the back. They are super crazy long so that you will have enough room to spread it out as much as you need to. It's opening. So I went ahead and opened the top and bottom. Now I'm trying it on to see how much more I need to let out, if any. Now I'm putting it on. And it's not hard to put on, y'all. Okay, front and the back. Making sure it's straight, parallel. Always has to be parallel. All right, so you grab those strings on the side and just pull, pull, pull. You're going to pull both strings at the same time. Make sure you're parallel. Make sure it's straight in the back. Meaning the top and the bottom are meeting with the eye. Now I pulled the top string. Now I'm pulling the bottom string by itself to make it tighter. And guys, make sure you put on a spaghetti strap shirt or something with this so it's not touching your skin. I don't know what I was thinking. But here it is. It's on, guys. Bring those strings around. Tie them up in the front like a bow. And yes, we are on our journey to a crazy waist and a Jessica Rabbit body. Link in bio. AEC Corset Waist Training 101.
So I kind of took an example from that video and I put my own little spin on it, and I'm going to insert my video next how I did the video once I watched a few, but after that one I decided to kind of post a video in that format. Well, it gave me a good idea, so I'm going to insert that video here to let you guys see the video that I actually end up posting. This inexpensive corset by Feeling Girl has been snatching. One of the things I have been using to snatch up my waist this summer. I love wearing this all day. I'm not working out or going anywhere today, so I decided to chill around the house and I'm going to wear my corset. And I had this over a month now, and I'm already on the third loop. I already lost a couple inches in my waist. I started at a 29, now I'm at a 27. This thing will snatch you up. Get yours before your size run out. They do be running deals. I'm gonna drop the link below, but it will snatch you up. You can wear this under your clothes. It's very soft. I wear this thing every day. I dropped the link below. Get yours right now before your size run out. So I pay $45 for a pedicure when you can use this under $10 right at home, and it works instantly. My feet, look how I moisturized my feet. This works a minute and it's under 10 minutes, but the sale is only for one day. I say grab this in your TikTok shop. You get a 2-in-1, one for your hand and one for your feet. Get it while it's under $10. I dropped the link below to my TikTok showcase. I love how amazing these have my feet and hands. So maybe some of these tips will help you boost your own TikTok shop too. So if you've been posting and not seeing results, try changing your hook. That one tweak literally got me a sale this month. So if you want more real life tips that actually work from creators and from my own trial and error, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. We're figuring this TikTok shop thing out together. So yes, guys, stay tuned. Keep rocking with me. As I learn more, I'm going to be dropping more, TikTok tips on getting more sales. And as my sales increase, I am going to be right here to update you guys and to show you all the tips and tricks so that you can start seeing sales as well. Like I said, it may seem slow to you guys, but I'm very satisfied with how it's going, that I'm even making sales. Like I said, I had been on, I'm still an Amazon influencer or affiliate, and I have an Amazon showcase. I have it in my link below in my description, as well as my TikTok showcase. But the TikTok seems way better because it puts you in front of people. Everyone can see you. It seems like with Amazon, you have to find your customers, post your link. But with TikTok Shop, I think it's a little more better, just because I'm able to see sales. And then not on this video, on the next one, when I'm getting more sales, I include the whole total of what I made so far on TikTok Shop. So I made a sale, yep, just by changing the hook and reposting with that tweak. that one edit turned a dead video into a paying customer. So I did implement what they said in the last video that I had. I did shoot another one. I may include that one here where the young lady was saying one of the tips were to go on price point. I did actually do a video implementing that hook, and that video, I posted that same video before. I didn't get any views, like minimum views, but once I posted with the tweaks of what the viral the creators had gave me, the tips that they gave me, I got way more views on that video. I would drop that video as well, just give you some examples of using the hooks that they suggested in my last video from those creators. I feel like they definitely did work. I did make, like I said, turned a dry day yesterday into a sale. I'm going to insert that here too, the video that I made a sale, and also the video that I used the hook, another hook. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll drop those TikToks that I use as a reference in the description below. But again, I'll see you guys next time.